Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is the second upload this week. I'm trying to stay on this video grind, and earlier this week we weren't riding, so I want to make sure we get a riding video in here. But anyways, we're at the secret spot is what we've been calling it, and I think it's 3 videos ago at the secret spot we ventured to a new sand pit, but it was frozen. All the water and mud at some parts is now all thawed out, but we want to get back to that sand pit. So Ian has a rug here. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and cross some water, make it there without getting completely soaked / muddy. I forgot the GoPro, so most of this video is gonna be third person. But I'll see you guys when we are trying to make it to the sand pit. See how this goes. All right, guys, if you remember in the last video, we were here. This was ice. The heavy 450 is gonna fall in. Yeah. So what's the plan here, Ian?
Honestly, I don't know. We're gonna wing it. We're gonna wing it.
I feel like we gotta stay to the outside here.
This looks pretty deep.
That kid must come through here. These look fresh.
Yeah, either that or yesterday. It actually isn't that bad. It's literally just this section. After this, we're good. The rug.
If you put the rug right here.
I'm gonna put sticks down and then put the rug on top of it. We should be good.
All right, let's get doing it. All right, update, guys. So we laid these sticks in the soupy mud, as you can see, just for support, and we're gonna lay the carpet across it here. I'll go down here.
Well, it's almost there.
I think that's the best.
I feel like we can make that work. Maybe just get it over there.
It'll work. Who's crossing her first? You?
I'll go for it.
All right, you go for it. If you get across, I'll ride up and I'll tell them we're going second pit. I think you can get across
I
fine.
think I'll be fine. I still want to fall over, dude. I'll be so
Just
pissed.
saying to go straight. A little janky, but it will work. Yeah, it worked. All right, I'll go get them.
I gotta come back and get my bag anyway, so I'm gonna put my bike up on this tree and then I'll walk over there. So yeah, you can go get it.
Yeah. Just go right there. Thoughts?
What?
What do you think?
Oh, is this it? This is a dead end?
It kind of gets pretty tight here.
Fuck, well, we're gonna have to cross the creek nonetheless. I wonder if we can cross it like right there.
Yeah, it looks like it's thinned out over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go walk.
There's a fence though, Ian. There's another fence. It looks like there was an old fence line. You see it?
Yeah, I can see the fence on it.
All right, guys. If you remember last time, I'll play the clip now where Mark got stuck. We're trying to avoid that part of the creek. So we worked our way up to the fence line. But it's a little tight here. So we're not sure if we should keep going. Ian's walking down there to see if there's a better spot to cross the creek. All right, guys, we continued following the fence. Okay. So we continue following the fence and it's a dead end. But we just noticed there's a hole in the fence there, and Ian's saying there's a bridge.
There's like an actual like wooden bridge with rails.
Okay, I'm gonna put the phone down and we're gonna go through the hole in the fence here.
Good fucking eye, Nick, 'cause I didn't even see that shit.
little bushwhacking through here, and look what we found. A nice little brig.
You know the fucking way to it.
All right, guys, we made it. Alright guys, typical of me, I forgot to end the video when we were out riding. But basically we made it to the second pit. It was a lot of fun. We found some new dope little spots, including that bridge. So that bridge was part of some mountain bike trails. But anyways, it was very cool. And I'm trying to upload either Tuesdays or Thursdays, and if I have enough content both days. So let me know what you guys think about that. Next week I'll probably only have one video, so I'll probably upload on Thursday, and I usually make the videos go live around 3 o'clock. But if you guys don't want to remember that, just make sure to subscribe and put notifications on, and it will let you know when I upload. But other than that, let me know what you guys thought down in the comments below. Smash that like button if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.